Ready with me for work. We are doing no makeup today, which we all know includes a lot of makeup. Priming spray, let it set. And as always, start with Perfect Foundation and this brush. It's for highlighting and contouring, but I love it for foundation. We are going for a light coverage, glowing skin, and a flawless finish. This is a wax-based formula, so it's going to mimic the look of actual skin. It comes in 34 shades, and it feels like you're wearing absolutely nothing. Awakening the tired eyes with Complete Concealer. These two formulas are the formulas that a ton of celebrities use, but lucky for you, you can purchase it right from LimeLife. We're doing no makeup, so we're gonna go light on the bronzer, little pop of blush. Now the fun part, highlighter. Look at that glow. And right now you can get a 4-shade complexion powder palette with a free brush, just like this one, my favorite brush, at a major discount. So don't miss out if you want cheeks that are sculpted and snatched. A little powder here, a little powder there, and we're ready to lock it all in. One-step brows with our Strike Rich Brow Gel. A fresh tube of Perfect Mascara. There is nothing better than a fresh tube of Perfect Mascara. Did you know you're supposed to replace your mascara every 3 months? And here's the final look for no makeup. Off to Zoom. Bye.